Hey there, this is Mrs. Ross, and we are going to have fun building a digital sticker book. So for this video, we're going to go through a checklist of what you need to get started. So I would recommend having 3 digital sticker designs. So I've created mine using an Instagram post in Adobe Spark, and when I downloaded them, I selected Ping, Transparent Ping. That's going to come in handy when you display them, so rather than having the square box around your stickers, they're going to display as whatever shape you chose, in my case, a circle. The next thing you'll need is a code.org account, because here's what's going to happen. I'm going to send you a link to this template website. It's actually linked in the description. And from there, you can select View Code and remix this. By remixing it, it creates a copy and stores that into your projects in code.org, so you have your own version of my website that you can customize for yourself. So this is great for beginners and advanced users. For those of you that are still starting out with coding, I will have more videos that help you through some processes, such as replacing my sticker designs with your own, and for changing the font. And it already comes preloaded with some features for you, like this shaking, and you can of course explore even more options on your own and customize this the way you'd like. So yeah, that's all you need to get started. 3 sticker designs saved as transparent pings, and then an account with code.org. Okay, that does it for this video. Thank you for watching.